Welcome to the 31 Days to Learn programming course. This is Week 2, Day 9, focusing on programming fundamentals in Python. Today, we'll dive into mastering the core data types of Python programming, numbers and strings. Welcome back to Day 9. We'll begin by understanding why data types are fundamental building blocks of all code. Then we'll explore how Python handles numbers and performs basic math, before moving on to working with text, specifically Python strings. Mastering these core types will equip you to prevent common bugs and represent real-world information effectively in your programs. Let's start with numbers. In Python, you'll primarily work with two types, integers and floats. Integers, like the number 42, represent whole numbers. Floats, on the other hand, handle decimal values, such as 3.14. Python makes performing mathematical operations incredibly straightforward. You can use standard symbols like plus, and, for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Python handles these calculations automatically and efficiently, allowing you to focus on the logic of your programs. Next up, let's explore working with text, or what we call strings in Python. Strings are simply sequences of characters wrapped in quotes. You can use either single or double quotes. Both work perfectly fine. A powerful feature is the ability to combine strings using the plus operator, allowing you to concatenate pieces of text. Furthermore, Python offers excellent capabilities for formatting strings, which enables you to easily inject variables or dynamic values directly into your text, making your output much more flexible and readable. Let's summarize Day 9. Today, we learned that integers handle whole numbers, while floats manage decimal values in Python. We explored how strings represent text data, and how you can use standard math operators for calculations. Finally, we covered how to format strings effectively to combine text and variables, a crucial skill for dynamic output. Are you ready to delve deeper and continue your programming journey? The full Introduction to Programming course is designed to take you from zero to confidently writing real Python programs. It includes hands-on labs and requires no prior experience, making it completely free and easy to start. You can enroll for free right now at destinlearning.com.